46th question. If the frequency change from 50 Hz to 100 Hz, keeping voltage constant, the inductive reactance of coil connected to supply. The frequency change from 50 Hz to 100 Hz, keeping voltage constant, the inductive reactance of coil connected to supply. Correct answer option C, become doubled is correct. Next, 47th. The true power consumed by the pure inductor. The true power consumed by the pure inductor is correct answer option A, 0 watt. Next, 48th. Capacitance is not affected by. Capacitance is not affected by. Correct answer option D is correct, frequency. Next, 49th question. In a capacitive AC circuit. In a capacitive AC circuit. Correct answer option A, current leads the voltage. Current leads the voltage. Next, 50. Synchronous motor when used for power factor improvement should be. Synchronous motor when used power factor improvement should be. Correct answer option B, overexcite. Next, 51. To increase the ampere rating, the cells are to be connected. To increase the ampere rating, the cells are to be connected in. Option B, parallel is correct answer. Next, 52. The capacity of cells is measured. The capacity of cells is measured. Correct answer option D, ampere hours. Ampere hours, correct answer. Next, 53. The metal used for control spring electric instrument. The metal used for control spring is electric instrument is correct answer option 3, phosphorus bronze. D is correct answer, friends. Next, 54th. Dynamometer type meter are used to measure. Dynamometer type meter are used to measure. Correct answer option C, both AC and DC. Next, 55. Megger is used measured. Megger is used to measure. Correct answer option B, insulation resistance. Megger is used to measure insulation resistance. Option B is correct answer. Next, 56th. Which one of the instrument has the same calibration for AC and DC? Which one of the instrument has the same calibration for AC and DC? Correct answer option C, hot wire. Hot wire is correct answer. Next, 57th. What type of motor is used in a food mixer? What type of motor is used in a food mixer? Correct answer option B, universal motor. Next, 58th. The unit of luminous flux is. The unit of luminous flux is. Correct answer lumen. Option D is correct answer. Next, 59th. Which of the following is the most efficient as a light source? Which of the following is the most efficient as a light source? Correct answer option A, tungsten filament. Tungsten filament is correct answer option A. Next, 60. The gas inside the inner discharge tube of a sodium vapor lamp is. The gas inside the inner discharge tube of a sodium vapor lamp is. Correct answer option B, neon. Option B is correct answer. Next, 61. How many lights points are allowed in one circuit? How many lights point are allowed in one circuit? Correct answer option A, 10 points. Next, holes on the aluminum disc of an energy meter helps to. The holes on the aluminum disc of an energy meter helps to. Correct answer Option B, reducing resistance. Next, 63. Fuse rating is expressed in terms. Fuse rating is expressed in terms. Correct answer. Option B, current. Next, 64th. Fusing factor of HRC fuse will be. Fusing factor of HRC fuses will be. Correct answer. Option A, 1.1. Next, 65. 65. In this wiring, two lamps should be switched on at a time. In this wiring, two lamps should be switched on at a time. Correct answer. Option B, tunnel wiring. Option B is correct answer. Next to 66. Induced EMF in the armature of DC generator is basically. Induced EMF in the armature of a DC generator is basically. Correct answer. Option A, an alternating current. An alternating current. Option A is correct. Next, 67. Flaming right hand rule is used to identify. Flaming right hand rule is used to identify. Correct answer. Option D, direction of induced EMF. Direction of induced EMF. Next, 68 చూసుకున్నట్లయితే insulating material is used in between commutator segment. Insulator material used in between commutator segment. Correct answer. Option C, mica. Next, 69th. Lamp winding is made in a machine for. Lamp winding is made in a machine for. Correct answer. Option D, high current low voltage. High current low voltage. 70. Back EMF of a DC motor. Back EMF of a DC motor. Correct answer. Oppose the supply EMF. Option A is correct answer. Oppose the supply EMF. Next, 21. Insulation resistance is measured in. Insulation resistance is measured in. Correct answer. Option B, mega ohms. 72. By setting the brush position exactly at magnetic neutral axis we get. By setting the brush position exactly at the magnetic neutral axis we get. Correct answer. All of the above. Maximum induced EMF, అదేవిధంగా sparkless commutation, అదేవిధంగా best performance. All of the above is correct answer. Next, 73. The magnetic field produced in the starter of three-phase inductor motor travel at the magnetic field produced in the starter of three-phase induction motor travels at. Correct answer. Option C, synchronous speed. Next, 74. The purpose of backup fuse is to provide protection against. The purpose of backup fuse is to provide protection against. Correct answer. Option D, short circuit. Next, 75. Jogging operation is also called as. Jogging operation is called as. Correct answer. Option D, inching. Inching. Next, 76. While running, the rotor frequency in a three-phase induction motor is equal to. While running, the rotor frequency in a three-phase induction motor is equal to. 76. Correct answer is option C, starter frequency x flip. Starter frequency x flip. Next, 77. The rotation magnetic field in three-phase 6 poles 50 edges slip ring induction motor will be rotated. The rotation magnetic field in three-phase 6 poles 50 edges slip ring induction motor will be rotated. Correct answer. Option A, 1000 RPM. Option A is correct answer. Next, 78th. Starting capacitor of single phase motor. Starting capacitor of single phase motor is correct answer option A, electrolytic capacitor. Electrolytic capacitor. Next, 29. The type of motor used in ceiling fan is. The type of motor used in ceiling fan is. Correct answer option D, permanent capacitor. Option D is permanent capacitor. 80. Which one of the following motor will have lowest starting torque? Which one of the following motor will have lowest starting torque? Correct answer option B, shaded pole motor. Option B, shaded pole motor is correct answer. 81. When the speed of alternator increase the frequency. When the speed of alternator increase the frequency. Correct answer option A, increases. Next, 82 question. Silent pole type alternator are used in. Silent pole type alternator are used in. Silent pole type alternator are used in. Correct answer option B, hydropower station is correct answer, friends. Next to 83. Which is the common method of cooling a power transformer? Which of the common method of cooling a power transformer? Correct answer option B, oil cooling is correct answer, friends. Oil cooling. Next, 84. Iron losses transformer measured by. Iron losses of transformer are measured by. Correct answer option A, low PF watt meter. Low PF watt meter. Correct answer option A is correct answer. Next to 85 question. A transformer is working at its maximum efficiency. Its core losses is 400 watts. Its copper losses will be. A transformer is working at its maximum efficiency. Its core losses is 400 watts. Its copper loss will be. Correct answer option B, 400 watts. Next, 86 question. Change in DC excitation of synchronous motor changes. Change in DC excitation of synchronous motor changes. Correct answer option C, PF of the motor. Correct answer PF of the motor is correct answer, friends. Next, the question. Conduction in a JFET is always by. Conduction in a JFET is always by. Correct answer option A, majority carriers. Option A, majority carriers. Next, 88th question. Which of the following transistor can be used in enhancement mode? Which of the following transistor can be used in enhancement mode? Correct answer option C, MOSFET. Option C, MOSFET is correct answer. Next, 89th. Type of insulator used holding for HT overhead conductor on straight running of poles. Type of insulator used for holding for HT overhead conductor on straight running of poles. Correct answer option B, pin type insulator is correct answer, friends. Pin type insulator. Next, 90 question. The distance between two adjacent line pole is called. The distance between two adjacent line pole is called. Correct answer option B, span. Option B is correct answer, friends. Next, 91. Positive electrode of dry cell is made from. Positive electrode of dry cell is made from. Positive electrode of dry cell is made from. Correct answer option B, carbon is correct answer, friends. Next, 92 question. Permeability is measure of. Permeability is the measure of Correct answer. Option C, conductivity of substance for magnetic lines of force. Conductivity of a substance for magnetic lines of force. Next, 93 question. Moving coil instrument usually have. Moving coil instrument usually have. Correct answer. Option A. Uniform scale throughout the range. Uniform scale throughout the range is correct answer. Next question. Fourth, temperature limit of class E insulation is. Temperature limit of class E insulation is. Correct answer. Option D, 120 degrees centigrade. Next, 95 question. Most commonly used rectifier nowadays are. Most commonly used rectifiers nowadays are. Correct answer. Option C, solid state device. Solid state diode is correct answer. Solid state diode. Option C is correct answer. Next, 96 question. In an ideal transformer. In an ideal transformer is correct answer. All of the above, friends. All of this. Option A, winding have no resistance. Option B, core has no losses. Option C, core has infinite permeabilities. All of the correct answer, friends. All of the. Next, 97 question. KWH meter can be classified as. KWH meter can be classified as. Correct answer. Option D, integrating instrument. Option D is integrated instrument. Integrating instrument is correct answer. Next, 98th question. Fixed coil in a dynamometer type wattmeter is. Fixed coil in dynamometer type wattmeter is. Correct answer. Option B, current coil. Option B, current coil is correct answer. Next, 99 question. In MCB overload, tripping is executed by. MCB overload, tripping is executed by. Correct answer. Option C, bimetal strip. Bimetal strip is correct answer. Option C is correct answer. Next, 100 question. When silica gel is breather is saturated with moisture, its color change from. When silica gel in breather is saturated with moisture, its color change from. Correct answer. Option A, blue to pink. Silica gel in breather is saturated with moisture, its color change from blue to pink. Option A is correct answer. ఫ్రెండ్స్, వీడియో నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. అదేవిధంగా ఈ వీడియోని మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ అండ్ ఫ్యామిలీ మెంబర్కి షేర్ చేయండి. నెక్స్ట్ మళ్ళీ ప్రీవియస్ పేపర్తో మళ్ళీ కలుద్దాం. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.